How to copy captions from Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily copy captions from Instagram Reels. Let's dive right in. First things first, go to your Instagram app and then go to the Reels on the bottom. Find the reel whose caption that you want to copy, tap on it. Now, if you try to long press here and copy it, you can see that copy option is not available. So the workaround is take a screenshot of this reel. So what you need to do is hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time and take a screenshot like this. Now go to your gallery and then open up this screenshot. Now, you must know that iPhone provides a feature where you can copy text from the photos in a gallery. So you just have to long press on the text and then you can see the select option appears. You just have to drag it to where you want to copy and then you just need to hit copy and you can paste it anywhere you want to. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.